In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AppyPie App Builder for a complete overview. Whether you're an aspiring app creator or someone curious about how to make an app without extensive coding experience, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the AppyPie platform step by step. First, open your browser and make your way to AppyPie by simply typing AppyPie into your search engine. Once you're there, click on the AppyPie link that appears in your search results. This will take you to their homepage where we'll begin our journey toward creating your app. On the AppyPie homepage, you'll notice a button that says Get Started. When you click this button, you'll be prompted to enter your business name. This step is important as it gives your app a unique identifier right from the start. Enter your business name and then click Next to move forward. The next step is to select a category that best aligns with your app's purpose. Whether it's for business, lifestyle, or education, choosing the appropriate category helps tailor the app's functionalities to better serve its audience. After selecting the category, your next task is to choose a color scheme that matches your brand. This is where you can infuse personality into your app, making it visually appealing and consistent with your existing branding. You'll then be asked to choose a test device, which is a critical step in ensuring that your app functions as intended across various platforms. By selecting a test device, you can get a feel of how your app will appear to users. To continue building your app, choose a plan that suits your needs and click Upgrade Now. This does require a subscription, so make sure you explore the features offered in each plan. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll land on the App Manager dashboard. This is your central hub for all app modifications. From here, click on Edit Mobile App. AppyPie provides a few default pages, like the home and contact pages, which are automatically added to your app. You have the freedom to edit these or to add additional features such as social media integrations, photo galleries, audio, or video content from a list of available features. As you proceed, click on App Manager, where you can tweak design elements such as the splash screen, navigation, and overall layout. Feel free to experiment until you find design options that fit your vision. Once you're satisfied with your app's look and functionality, hit Save to secure your changes. After saving, you'll have the option to test your app via a QR code, allowing you to see your app in action before it goes live. If everything functions as expected and you're happy with the design, the final step is to click Publish Now to make your app available to the world. And there you have it. You've now guided yourself through the key features of the AppyPie App Builder. By following these steps, you're well on your way to launching your very own application. Explore more on the platform as you become comfortable, and create apps that fulfill both personal desires and business needs.